All right, good morning. It's not a day in the life video. It's a car dealer. I think she's giving birth. She's giving birth? Bentley car sounds disgusting. Man, we got a TV in here. Oh, we got two, I think. Yo. Alright, but Jeff moving the car. Comfy? Hey, Zeus is hungry. Are you hungry? You wanna go eat? Alright. We just got a car delivered. Hopefully the engine and transmission are good. We're about to find out. 3, 2, 1. Alright, good morning. It's not a day in the life video. It's a car dealer. We got a lot of cars we need to get out the way. So right now we're organizing everything. There's Zeus and the boy Jeff. Gang. So what's up?
What up, what up?
You gotta say to people, man.
We're working today. We're working hard.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everything looking nice and clean.
Yes, sir. Zeus, you working hard today? Do not lick me, bruh. No, no licking. No licking. Alberto, no. Tell Alberto move. No, no, no. We're leaving. No, out. Amigo, no, no, Alberto. We're moving cars out. Tell him we're moving cars out. Aye. All right. I'll move this one out the way, and you move the Ford. The battery's cooked. Dang, the battery's dead. We don't have the jump box. Taha took it. All right, we'll just work around it.
You took it?
Yeah, he needed it. All right, just move the Ford.
I think there is one right there.
I think that one's not good.
Good morning, my friend. Good.
Bueno, ¿qué pasa?
Bien, bien. Gracias.
Ay. Hola, buenos días. Alright, so there you go. Moving that car. I'm gonna go ahead and move this car out the way. This Camry has to go outside. Can't leave this car inside. So I'm gonna move that car probably over there. Alright, this car still needs to get work in the mechanic because it doesn't turn to the left like correctly. So like anytime I try to turn it to the left, it's just difficult. Now see, I'm giving it a lot of strength, but it's not going nowhere. That's alright, it's easy. So I don't know what's going on with that. We need to figure that out. If anyone knows, let me know. I've never seen this happen before. Because not the power steering pump, right? Because otherwise it'd be difficult both ways. I'm not 100% sure. All right, I have to put the camera down so I can turn this wheel. Hold on. Done deal. So now we got 3 of them parked. Got 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead, keep it pushing. Hi, Zeus. I don't know exactly how many cars you can fit on all this. I don't even know. Probably a lot. Maybe like 100 or something. But we'll keep it pushing, see what's cracking, see what's next to move. Hyundais we have to keep inside because they steal Hyundais. Infinities have to stay inside because they steal them. But that Camry can go outside. Hyundai, gotta stay. Hyundai, Kia, they'll be stealing these. So you gotta keep these inside. But yeah, let's go ahead and keep it pushing. I'll move this one. All right, there we go. Bismillah. All right, go ahead and keep this inside. All right, there you go. So just move that one. And then this, we need a jump box. The boy Taha took it. Bruh. What in the world, bro? No, how he installed this. All right, quick update. Here's what it's looking like now. We got all the cars that need to get worked on outside over there. Still got a bunch of cars that need to move. And now we're gonna clear out this area because we can put a car in here. So put a car in there and we'll keep it pushing. Still organizing. Bentley sounding mean. Bentley's gonna go get parked right over there. Jason's moving it. The car sounds disgusting. The car is sick. But yeah, we're actually gonna get this car fixed. I was gonna wholesale it, but we're just gonna get it fixed. Most people think it costs too much to fix. They don't even know. We're gonna fix this one for a good price. Yes, sir. Moving the Bentley. Nah, other way. You're too close. You're too close, bro. You're too close. You're too close. Yeah, go that way. Nice, too far the other way. Good God. Let me park it, bro. Bro. Now you blocking this door, bro.
Well, I was close to that place.
All right, bro. It's all right, bro. I got you. Yeah. All right, quick update what's going on. We organized a lot. I'll show you guys that in a second. But Jason and Jeff, they're about to leave. Let me show you guys. Jason and Jeff. Jason's in this car. Jeff's in that car. They're about to go drop off this car to the body shop. And at the same time, we have somebody delivering a car. So we'll go ahead and check that out. Let me show you guys the lot real quick. It's super organized now, so I think it's a lot better. So here's what it's looking like. Got Sonata, Camaro. Everything's lined up. So basically what's kind of for sale is facing that way. So that's for sale, that's for sale, that's for sale. That Infiniti Q50, we don't have the key for it. And the other one's going back to auction, just waiting for the title. And that one's ready for sale. And then these 4 in the front, they're ready for sale. Everything else facing that way and in the back, they're not ready for sale. And all the other cars we put outside just because taking up too much space inside. This is the important stuff, so we'll leave all this inside. So there's that. And now go ahead and see the car that's getting dropped off. All right, so here's a car that just got delivered. It's a 2011, I think, Mitsubishi Eclipse. Y'all can see front end accidents. but very slight accident. Like nothing with the frame or anything, some slight. See the inside, see if we have any parts in here. Okay, we definitely have parts. This is probably a girl that owned this car, all the glitter and stuff. We'll take all this stuff off. Yeah, we don't want any of this on the car. All right, this is a front bumper. Let's see if it's good or not. I don't know how they did this. Hold on. All right, so I got everything out. Here's what we got. Both headlights are in still good condition. From what I see, nothing broken on the glass, on the lens. Seems to be fine. So yeah. So yeah, both headlights seem to be good. Front bumper we'll have to replace. This is the side that got hit. So as you can see, it got all cracked up. Front bumper replaced, and the lower grille as well. I think the lower grille might come with the front bumper. We'll see and find out. If not, we should get a new one. It's all just trim pieces. There's Zeus in the cut. What up, Zeus? And here we have the grill. So the grill's there. So we're good on that. So those are the parts we have, which is dope. Now let's go ahead and pop open the hood. Make sure the oil and the coolant is good. And we'll go from there. Turn it on and we'll see if the car is good or if it's not. Alright, where's the oil dipstick? Alright, engine oil. Pretty clean oil. It's not bad. So we got oil, coolant. We got coolant in there. Zeus, you gotta stay off the road, man. People driving. All right, close this up. We got oil and we got coolant. Let's go ahead and close this, and we'll turn the car on. Hopefully the engine's good and the transmission. All right, here we go. Bismillah. Key ignition. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bismillah. There you go. What do you think, Zeus? Is it a good car? You wanna come inside? Bro, Zeus, do not lick me, bro. Okay. Hey, Zeus is hungry. Are you hungry? You wanna go eat? Nah, we want to go eat. All right, so the car turned on. I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the back, and then actually I have to put the parts back inside. And I'm gonna go feed Zeus. Engine sounds healthy. Let me put it in drive. Okay, drive work, reverse works. I think we're in decent condition. So I'm gonna turn this off. Go ahead and feed the dogs some more real quick, and we'll put the parts inside. Actually, we'll put the parts inside right now, and then we'll go ahead and feed the dogs. Alright, there you go. I'll leave the bumper out since the bumper, we gotta get a new one. Put the bumper somewhere else. Just put it right here for now. And we'll move it later. But let's go ahead and feed these dogs.
Coolant, washer fluid, brake fluid. These, I don't even know what this is. I was trying to figure it out.
Freon?
That's what I thought too.
Yeah, it's Freon.
Oh, is this right?
Yeah.
How can you tell? Like, what does it say, like, Freon? I don't...
AC Pro. This is, it's Freon. R135.
Oh, okay.
34. It's Freon. Yeah, so we just took all these parts out of the CrossFit Town and Country. Now we're gonna go pick up a bunch of bumpers and fenders from APO. Damn, we got a TV in here.
That's going on the Facebook emoji list.
Sheesh. TV in the back seat. Oh, we got 2, I think.
Yeah. Oh.
Yo. This car's tough. This car's loaded.
It's nice.
Hold on. This might be company car.
Car is nice. I know.
Rapid green. It's not bad. We'll fit bumpers in here for sure. Sunroof too? Sheesh.
The Nauer car.
The Nauer car.
I don't know what it is. That's found it.
Alright, Jason, I'm gonna give you my card. APO has a bunch of bumpers and stuff.
A bunch?
Yeah. I'm gonna text you the list. Oh, thank God, bruh. We would have lost this. We've been cooked. Alright, let's go ahead and feed these dogs a little more. Man, we're running low. We have to re-up. I don't think Russ hungry. You're just tired, aren't you? Man, he's just tired. Man, you look skinny though, bro. We need you to eat. Is it ready? No? 2 codes?
Yeah.
Oh.
It says 5 on 2.
Alright. I'll drive it home today probably. The mechanic, he put antifreeze in it, right?
Yeah, but we also have something here.
But he already filled it up? Oh, he didn't?
No, that's what I'm saying.
Turn off the car then.
I haven't seen him do that, so I don't know.
Okay.
Can you turn it off?
Yeah, turn it off. No, he did. Yeah, he did. If you open it when it's hot, it blows up. You know what I'm talking about? Well, there is antifreeze. We know that. I would leave that. I'll drive it home today so we can get ready for inspection. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, inshallah. We'll do inspection. Alright, there we go. Sir, a lot looking clean, organized. Alright. What's Zeus drinking up? Alright.
Thirsty.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what's next. Alright, I'm actually struggling trying to find this front bumper for this Mitsubishi Eclipse. I called the parts store, they don't have it. I checked eBay, they don't really have it. They have like a different type of model. So I guess this Mitsubishi Eclipse is a sport, I think. And the sport, it looks different than the regular bumpers. Alright, so we're gonna reuse this bumper more than likely. Just try to fix it. This is definitely easily fixable, but you know, we just can't find a bumper online. So we're gonna fix this, and then we'll get a new lower grill, because the lower grill is messed up. I just cut myself. Then we'll get a new lower grill. Yeah, okay. We'll get a new lower grill, and we'll just fix the bumper. So, and I'll put this bumper probably back inside, and we'll go from there. And I also just got word from the body guy that 2 cars are ready. So we're gonna go ahead, pick up those 2 cars, and drop off 2 cars. So we'll take them 2 cars that we need to get fixed, and we'll pick up the 2 cars, me and Jeff. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Me and Jeff, I go pick up the cars. We're gonna take the Chrysler and the Kia. We'll take these 2, and we'll see. Should be alright, I think. Let's get going. There's the Kia that we're taking. Alright. Alright, the other 2 cars we're picking up. So it's the Toyota Camry. It was a front end accident, so he's fixing it. And here's the other one, Ford Explorer. That's what it's looking like. Fixed the side of it, so we're good to go. Alright, y'all, back to the shop we go. Alright, made it back to the shop. Let's go ahead and take this bumper, put it inside the Mitsubishi, and then park it over there. So let's go. Alright, I think it should fit back here. There's the boy Jeff. He just pulled up the Explorer. So there you go. So now we'll go ahead and take this, put it in there, and we'll keep it pushing. Alright, boy Jeff's moving the car. Comfy?
You have the keys?
It's right there. Alright, there you go. Dakota in the cut. He's gonna park it right over there. Now this car, this Explorer, we need to go ahead and see if it's ready for inspection. Then we'll go do inspection. And then from there, oh, it's a 2019, I forgot. So we have to do a post-inspection at the DMV for this one. So we'll do all that probably tomorrow. Then that Toyota Camry, we can go check if it's ready for inspection. Dakota, 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 Dakota. Here comes this dude. Ah, Dakota, 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 Dakota. Dakota she's the most well-behaved out of all of them. This guy doesn't like nobody. This guy's a menace. And Zeus, he's sometimes a menace too. Zeus is cool though. There's Zeus right there. Sir, that boy Zeus. You good, Zeus? No licking. Zeus just licks too much. No licking, no licking, no licking, no licking. No licking, no licking. All right, here we go with this. You want rubs? You want rubs? Good boy, Zeus. Good boy, Zeus. Good boy. These guys is jealous. Good boy, Zeus. Good boy, Zeus. Alright, there you go. He parked the car. Dog's chilling, and this dog is hating. Look, this dog, they don't let you pet nobody. He runs off. Alright. Other boy Jason just pulled up, so let's go ahead and see the parts he got. Zeus. Delivery? Let's see what we got in here. Fancy. Oh boy, loaded. Good God. All right. We got all the parts we need then. What was the total?
900.
Dang.
909 parts? Not bad.
Good God. Is what it is. Part of business.
Everything you need.
Don't put them all inside the garage. Put them inside the car that they go to. Okay. So.
Yeah, I got it. Santa Fe.
The Santa Fe?
No, it says it somewhere though. I was reading it on the way here. Thunder featuring Sonata 17.
17 Sonata. Okay.
Is that the one? Oh, no.
That's this one right here. Yeah. Sonata. What else? 13. This is for Santa Fe. This is Santa Fe. Focus. So this Focus is already at a body shop, so we'll take that later. Look who showed up. The boy Jeff. He went to go pass inspection. It passed. So the boy pulled back up. That's Focus. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's the one that we dropped off, right? Yeah. This is MDX. You can leave that there. MDX. Alright, this one. Challenger. What Challenger's direct? Oh yeah, Challenger. She okay? You hear that? Yeah. I thought she's giving birth. She's giving birth?
Like really, really bad.
Oh God.
Like, even to scratch yourself, she's struggling. Like, she's trying to pay right now.
Oh my God. She's giving birth, man.
Let's go get your girl, bro.
Yeah, Zeus, go help her. We're just looking around. It's crazy. This is a Challenger. One over there. This is Sonata. Where'd you put in the parts to the cars they go to? Sonata. What are you scratching at? Dakota? You okay? Okay, I guess she's alright. Alright, keep it pushing. You see it? This is Santa Fe. I guess this one, the last one's probably Challenger. Alright. Dude, pick something up, man. Do something. This is a Challenger. Alright, so there's all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Challenger one over there. And I'll be good to go. Here's an updated look of the lot. That's what we're looking like. Jason's gonna put the Challenger right there. I'm taking the Honda Accord home. So that's what we're looking like. Porsche, Hyundai, Camaro, Zeus, and just a whole bunch of other cars. We just got, dang, we're spinning it. Alright, we just got a car delivered. It's that Mustang right there. So we'll go ahead and see it when it gets off. Alright, so you can park that Challenger right in that spot. It's a Bentley over there. And yeah, we'll just keep it pushing. This Mustang was light damage. Hopefully the engine, transmission are good. We're about to find out. There it is. It's a manual. I think it's an EcoBoost. That's the one I got. Woo, that sounds mean. We'll go ahead, take this off, see what we're working with. We got the key, just pay the driver. Let's check out this Mustang. Woo, it's on clean. What we're looking like. Cracked windshield. I didn't see that before, but it's what it is. That's where the damage is at. So we're gonna fix the quarter panel. Try to fix the door probably. But worst case scenario, we'll get a door. Interior is super nice. Got maroon red. And we got the 6-speed manual transmission. Smooth car, smooth car. Should probably go for a quick test drive since we got it. Let's go ahead and go for a quick test drive. Oh yeah, she hard. I'm missing a mirror, so I have to get a mirror. She might be inside the car. Let's see. Pop open the trunk. I don't know how to open the trunk on this car, to be honest. Okay, there you go. All right, no mirror yet, no mirror. But we don't know, maybe we'll find it. Maybe it's in the back seat. Driver moving his car back on. Ugh. All right, let's see. Is this the mirror? It is not the mirror, I don't know what this is. All right. So no mirror, but let's go ahead, turn this car on. Hopefully it's good. Oh, I'm tripping. I didn't even check the engine, the oil, or the coolant. All right, y'all, it's cooked. I can't even open the thing. Y'all see this yellow thing? Oh, let me see. Y'all see this yellow? Juice, bro. I'm trying to work, bro. All right, so this yellow thing, you can supposed to hit it to the side, and it's supposed to open up the hood. And it's supposed to open up that latch y'all see right there. But you see I'm moving it? Not doing anything. So we have to get that fixed. So we cannot check the oil or the coolant. But it's a side swipe, right? So nothing I hit in the front, at least we don't think. It shouldn't, at least. Let's go ahead and just trust in this, and we should be okay, inshallah. Ready? On 3, 2, 1. Hold on, no music. No. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay. I think this guy knows how to open it. You know how to open it? How? Then what opened it? Yeah, no. What'd you do? Huh? Okay. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. All right, so he opened it like this. He just did it hard. When he did it hard, I guess he lifted it up hard too at the same time. Let's shoot. We got coolant, oil. You're not really supposed to check oil when the car's on, but okay, we have oil, so that's good. Huge filter, air filter. So there's that. The cars look like. But yeah, engine sounds healthy. Let's go for a quick spin and see what we're working with. Go ahead and go. Just test drive. Yeah, no lights on the dash. So the hood is open, but definitely just closed it. All right, parking brake is on. Here you go. Oh God, I think the dogs are blocking Zeus. Gotta get off the road, man. All right, let's go into reverse. Is that reverse or is that first? Okay, that's first. How do you? No, okay, you lift it. Okay, now in reverse. Rear camera's on. Go for a quick spin around the block. See what we're working with. Feels like something, I don't think it's safe. I feel something's wrong. Yeah, there's something holding, something dragging. Let me park this car back up. Yeah, there's something wrong with the suspension, I think. I don't know how I missed it. I usually never miss those things. Let me see. GT350. All right, what is... Juice, what's making the noise? Okay, I have no idea, but I definitely heard something. This side. Sometimes it's the opposite side where the suspension damage is. If it is suspension damage, I really don't know. Could it be like something rubbing? No. But we'll figure this out probably in the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Zeus, say the outro. Peace.